Welcome to 828 Southwest Strawberry Lane. This home is 1,090 square feet, built in 2006, with a single car attached garage. It's 3 beds, 2 baths. The single attached garage is extra tall and has storage above. It's landscaped around front and back with a sprinkler system and has a great mountain view right from the kitchen. Standing in the foyer, looking across the living room, great room area towards the dining room, all of the laminate flooring is in excellent condition. The paint is all fresh. It does have cadet heaters in each room and comes with a window AC unit that's more than adequate to keep this home cool even on triple-digit days. Gets into the hundreds and that still keeps it in the low 70s. The entrance there with a tile floor and then the door to the garage. The slider that goes out to the backyard. The kitchen. It has tile flooring as well and comes equipped with all these appliances included. It does have a generous pantry as well, so the storage is quite good. The vaulted ceilings make this space seem really very comfortable. Down the hallway there's the hall closet on the right and the utility closet on the left, the washer and dryer. The guest bathroom also has tile flooring, fresh paint, tub shower combination, and good lighting. The guest bedrooms, freshly painted. The carpet's all in great shape. The other guest bedroom. And finally the master bedroom. As you can see, fits a king-size bed with an end table. On a clear day it has a nice little view of the mountains, but they're shrouded in clouds. Same is true from the kitchen window. On a nice clear day you can see the Cascade Mountains. That's the walk-in closet straight ahead. And the master bathroom with vinyl flooring that's all in great shape, tub shower combination. It's just an awesome single level floor plan. It's 100% turnkey without any work needed. And again, on a clear day you would see the mountains peeking through over the houses in the distance here. But today it is cloudy. And same from here. Looking out while you dine. Now in the backyard, you can see the turf is all in excellent shape. It's maintained with a sprinkler system. There's a really nice couple of planter boxes, elevated planter boxes back here with the drip system integrated. This composting device comes with the home. The stairs into the great room area, dining room and kitchen. Fully fenced, very private. Just a great backyard.